So today's an important day for Transport for Wales because we're launching our first annual report, which is an opportunity for us to set out what we've done over the last 12 months, but it's also an opportunity for us to demonstrate transparency in the way we work as we move forward transforming transport for the people of Wales.
So Transport for Wales is a not-for-profit, wholly owned organisation by Welsh Government, and we're delivering on the policies of Welsh Government, but ultimately it's to deliver for the people of Wales. So the launch of the annual report today shows that we are committed to the highest standards of accountability and governance. It reflects that we have spent 151 million in the financial year of 2018-19, and the vast majority of that was spent on rail services, which includes the actual services and also the commencement of transformation works.
Well, I'm really pleased that we've launched this report. It's comprehensive, it talks about the transformation that we're making to transport in Wales for people, for the communities and for businesses, which I think is really important for the Welsh economy.
Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn cwmni diddorol iawn. Mae pobl o'r sector gyhoeddus, y sector private, a'r ffaith bod nhw'n gallu gweithio da'i gilydd a cael can y gorau mas nhw yn bwysig iawn i fi. Mae Adroddiad Blynyddol Trafnidiaeth Cymru yn werth i'r allan. Mae'n rhoi lens newydd i chi weld y gwaith ni'n neud dros chi. Mae hwnnw'n bwysig.
We feel that Transport for Wales is pivotal to supporting economic growth in Wales. We're clearly totally aligned to a number of Welsh Government policies, including prosperity for all, and transport is fundamental in terms of linking communities and linking businesses and driving growth.
So the highlight of the year for me personally has been the passion and the dedication of the team in Transport for Wales, who have all worked together through some really difficult times to make a difference for the people of Wales, and that's going to continue into the future on the back of some really exciting investment.